Hey boys and girls, today we are going to be making some exploding hearts using chalk pastels. So you're going to get a sheet of black paper and you can hold it either portrait style or landscape, it doesn't really matter. And you're going to get a heart stencil. So you can place this anywhere that you want, any heart on your paper, and you're going to hold it down with the hand that you're not drawing with. So you want to make sure your hand stays there the whole time until you're totally done tracing it. Then you're going to get your chalk pastel and you are going to trace around, making sure to make a nice thick line all around that stencil. And you notice I'm keeping my hand there the whole time, so that may mean I have to move this hand around so that I can get around it, but you want to make sure you hold it down the whole time. And then when you're done with that, you're still going to hold it down. You're going to get a piece of tissue, and you're going to go from the inside of the heart, and you're going to just swipe out, just like this, all the way around it. So I'm still holding it down. I'm not moving my hand off of it until I'm totally done. Then once I'm done, now I can remove the heart, and I'm going to have a little bit of excess chalk. So what I'm going to do is take it, tap it on the table just like that, and there is one heart. Now if you end up getting some chalk, like I have some on the inside, you can just use your tissue to erase it. Don't use your finger because you're going to end up with fingerprints all over your paper. So you want to make sure to use your tissue to get rid of any extra chalk. And also use it to smear it around. So once you're done with one heart, you are going to start another one. So you can trace them and place them however you want, with whatever colors you want. If you wanted to say, let's say I wanted to do 2 different colors, maybe do pink on one side and purple on the other, you can do that. Get your tissue. Just like that. Stencil off and tap. So what I want you to do is fill up your entire paper full of hearts that are in all different directions, some that are in the center, some that are off to the side. So I'm going to go and finish that. All right, so I've completely filled up my paper. I used colors in different ways. So, I showed you when I did one side one color and one side the other. And then for these, which was kind of fun to do, I just alternated. So I did some red, some yellow, some red, some yellow. And then here, same thing. I did green and pink and green and pink. So I kind of just alternated it all around the heart, and actually those 2 are my favorite. But you guys can do them however you want. I think having some variety, doing ones that are like this and then also some plain ones will really make them stand out. So I hope you guys have fun with this. I cannot wait to see them.